Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the Linear app in 2025. Now, Linear is one of the fastest tools for managing the tasks, the issues, and project workflows. So, if you are new to the project management or you are switching from the tools like Jira or Asana, this will get you started. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on the official website of Linear, which is linear.app. Once you are here, you just have to sign in with the help of your email address or your Google account or with the help of your GitHub account. Now, once you are inside, by default, you will be here on this particular page. So here in the left hand side, we have the option of inbox. So in the inbox, as the name suggests, you are going to see all of the messages over here. Then we have the option of issues. So this particular section is basically going to show you if there is any issue available. So you can click on any of the issues if it is available over here and try to resolve it. Then the best part is that we have the workplace section. So here in the workspace, when you click on the option of project, you can start creating your new project. So click on the option of create new project. Now you need to give your project a name. After that, you can add any descriptions to this particular project. If you want to add any milestones, simply click on the option of milestone. Then give your milestone a name and add a description for your milestone. Now over here in this project, you will see a bunch of different options as well. Like we have the backlog option. So you can select the status of this particular project. Then we have the priority. So basically, if this particular project is a task, you can assign the priority to it. You can add the leads over here. With the help of members, you can add or remove the members in this particular workspace. Then you can select the start date with the help of the start option. Then you can select the target date, which is going to be the end date. Then you can add any labels over here. So once you are done, simply click on the option of create project. Now your project is going to look something like this. So you can click on the option of display on the top right hand corner of the screen, and by default it will be in the list view. So you can click on the option of board view and it will come something like this. So once your project is completed, you can add it here in the completed section with the help of this drag and drop option. So this way basically you can start using Linear application for project management. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.